Hello rail fans, and welcome to French Fry Trades. I don't have a lot of time today, so I had to do another short one here. So today, we're going to be building another freight car. And we're going to be building this old Conrail Coil shield car. And as you can see, this is a different style than the last coil car we have made on the channel. So this is what it looks like here. Now let's get right into it. So we're going to start off with the coupler. So take out a dark oak stair, and we'll attach that up. Under it, we're going to put a sideways dark oak fence gate. Then on the next block forward on bottom, we're going to put a netherite wheel on each rail. Then an end rod in between them for an axle. Then we're going to take deep slate tile stairs, and we're going to go 3 wide in the middle, upside down in a back-to-back T-shape. Then another set of netherite wheels with an end rod axle on this end, and then put a hopper on all 4 netherite wheels. Then we're going to open 2 fence gates on the middle of each side of this truck here. Then we're going to come up top and do 4 red terracotta on the top middle. Then come in front of this on the bottom now, and we're going to take mangrove top slabs on the upper hitbox to the bottom, and we're going to go 5 wide right here, and we're going to extend this down until it is a total of 17 blocks long. 17. And then we'll just fill this all in 5 wide here with mangrove top slabs. So 5 by 17. Bring this all the way down to the other end. Then once we have that on this end of it, we're going to put another set of netherite wheels and an end rod axle. Then go 3 wide on the middle of upside down deep slate tile stairs in a back-to-back T-shape. Then we'll put a netherite wheel with end rod axle on this end. And then we'll put a hopper on all 4 of these netherite wheels. Then we're going to open 2 dark oak fence gates on the middle of the truck on each side. And then we can crouch and put a wither skeleton skull on the side of each hopper. And same thing over here. And make sure you do it on the other end because I forgot to put the wither skeleton skulls on that end. Then take a dark oak stair on this middle and stack it up till it's on this second block up for the coupler. And under it, we're going to put a sideways dark oak fence gate. Then up here on the second layer, 4 red terracotta on the middle of this truck. And then for the rest of this here, on top of all these slabs, we're just going to fill this all in 5 wide with red terracotta. So another 5 by 17 on this second layer. And that'll form the base of our car here. Bring it right down to the end of the slabs, right here like this. Then right here, 2 upside down mangrove stairs on either side facing the end. Then 2 rows of 3 mangrove top slabs to the end here, and 2 rows of 3 top slabs on this corner here. Then repeat at this end, so 2 upside down mangrove stairs here facing the end, 2 here, then 2 rows of 3 mangrove top slabs up here, and 2 rows of 3 here. Then we're going to take mangrove fences on this corner, put a column of 2 here, and then 2 right here. Then on this corner, a mangrove fence gate here, and then 2 fences like this. Repeat over here, so a fence gate here, and then 2 fences here. Repeat all that at the other end. So we're going to put a fence gate here, 2 fences here, come on the corner, 2 fences here. Then 2 fences here, a fence gate here, and 2 fences right here. Then come on the end where these fences and close a jungle trapdoor for a brake wheel here. Then right here, put 2 rows of 3 red terracotta in the middle. Then repeat on this end, so where the edge of these stairs are, 2 rows of 3 red terracotta in the middle. Then on this end behind here, we're going to do a 5 by 3 of iron trapdoors up here. Then on this other end, we need our brake cylinder, so right here, we're going to put 2 grindstones, and then 3 trapdoors here, 1 here, and a 3 by 3 of iron trapdoors here. Then come behind this, 1 block in from the outer edge, and do a line of red terracotta across here to the other end. And same thing on this side, a line of red terracotta 1 block in from the outer edge here. Then we're going to come to this left-hand corner, and we're going to put a terracotta then a quartz block right here, then 2 red terracotta, then a bamboo plank. Then we'll do 3 red terracotta, then 1 quartz block. Then we'll do 2 red terracotta, then 3 quartz blocks, and finally 3 terracotta. Repeat on this side, so start at this end, terracotta, quartz block, 2 red terracotta, and then a bamboo plank. Then 3 red terracotta, a quartz block, 2 terracotta, 3 quartz blocks, and 3 terracotta. Then we're going to come on this outer edge here and do a column of 3 mangrove fences, and repeat exactly the same on this side. Then we'll come to this end and we'll do a column of 3 here and repeat to this side. Then we'll move over a little and we're going to do 3 right here, copy it to this side, and then we'll come here and we're going to do 3 right here and copy it to this side. Then we're going to stand on the top for all the rest of these railings, and we'll have to crouch, and we're just going to put rows of mangrove fence gates on top across all these gaps between the fences here. Then on this end, we're going to come straight across like this, and then repeat on this side. We're going to put sideways mangrove fence gates across all of these gaps up here on this side. And then at this end, we'll come sideways across right here. And then under this middle fence, put a red terracotta here, then 1 here in the middle, 1 here, and 1 under here. Then we'll add 3 sideways fence gates here, and 3 here. Then we're going to put a red terracotta here and here, and we're going to put a mangrove stair in the middle here going this way, then here going this way. Then 2 red terracotta in the middle and a mangrove slab on top, and then take out the block under the slab. Then put a fence gate here and a fence gate here. And then actually we're just gonna go ahead and fill all the rest of these middle holes with red terracotta to make it easier. Then in the middle on top, we're gonna put 3 mangrove slabs here, 3 here, then 3 here, and 3 here. On the outer edge, 3 mangrove trapdoors here, 3 here, then 1 here and here, then 3 here, and 3 here. Repeat on this side, so 3 here, 3 here, 1 here, 1 here, then 3 here, and 3 right here. Then take a mangrove fence gate and put 1 down here, then 1 on the middle here, and 1 up here. Repeat at this end, so 1 down here, 1 here, 1 up here, so it looks like it's angling. Same thing here. 1 more corner to go. Do the same thing right here. Then we're going to come through on this bottom outer edge, and wherever we haven't built something, we're just going to fill this outer edge with iron trapdoors. And of course, repeat on this side, so anywhere we haven't built something over here, build this outer edge, all with iron trapdoors. Then come on this left bottom corner, do a red stained glass pane, birch sign, red stained glass pane. Then 2 birch signs and a birch button, then a red stained glass pane, then 3 birch buttons and a stained glass pane. Then we're going to do a birch button, 2 birch signs, and a red stained glass pane. Then a dark oak sign and a red stained glass pane. Then we'll detail the other end. So start on this side, at this end do a red stained glass pane, birch sign, stained glass pane. Then 2 birch signs, a birch button, and a red stained glass pane. Then 3 birch buttons and a red stained glass pane. Then a button, 2 birch signs, then a red stained glass pane, a dark oak sign, and a red stained glass pane. Then we're going to come up here on the end, up here, and we're going to put a birch sign on the left and 2 birch buttons next to it. Repeat on this side as well, so come down here and do 2 buttons and a sign over here like that. And that completes all of the detailing here. So there we have it, folks. We've completed our Minecraft Conrail Coil Shield car to go on your Minecraft freight train. I hope everyone enjoyed the build here. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And everyone have a great week. Stay safe out there, rail fans.